Are you ready to finish out the new year with glamour, sparkles, and Brow Bar by Reema? Let's learn how to get the perfect brow and a beautiful gold glam eye makeup for your holidays and New Year's festivities. Let's start this look with the usual foundation and concealer. We are going in the Hollywood Icon Face Kit BH Nude and taking the translucent powder and setting our face. We're going to get the most beautiful brows with the Bombshell Brow kit. I'm starting by tweezing some stray hairs and then combing out my brows. We're going to build up the color of the brows, starting with the medium shade and then moving into the darker brow powder. I like to use the brow pencil to darken any areas that might have more missing hairs and then comb my brows out one more time. We're going to use the brow lift to clean up our brows underneath and then go in with the gorgeous highlight in the kit. Here is the before and after, and our gorgeous brows. I like to use an eye primer before applying eyeshadow so that we get the most vibrant colors possible. Starting with the top right contour shade in the palette, we are going to do a warm, smoky eye and then turn it into a cut crease. Taking the dark brown on the outer corner, begin blending that into our first color. And then next, taking your eye primer or concealer, go ahead and cut your crease. Let's use a beautiful gold shimmer or glitter product on the lid and then line your cut crease with a glitter liner. Taking that contour shade again, we are going to blend under the lower lashes and then take this beautiful shimmery color and create a transition between the gold and the dark brown on the lid. Of course, we need to warm up our face with some bronzer or some contour products, however you find best for your face. We are going to do a thin eyeliner today, and this is just going to be a nice base for our lashes. Next up, apply your mascara and then your Drama Queen lashes. Our gold shimmery highlight today is coming from Brow Bar by Reema's Heartbreaker highlight palette. And let's finish this look with the BH Fair lipstick. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Carrie, and I hope your holiday season shines a little bit brighter with Brow Bar by Reema.